Okay, my name is Steve Cupp. I'm a partner with Fisher & Phillips Law Firm, and I'm a labor and employment lawyer. I spent probably the first 3 weeks of November counseling clients on how to comply with the new law, and then on November 22nd, Judge Mazant in Texas blew it all up as far as issuing a preliminary injunction against the law. So we're in a state right now where we're trying to figure out the impact of this decision and what companies should do to comply with the law, or whether they should just stay in a sort of a wait and see mode to determine what's going to happen next with the Trump administration coming in. But I think that the case will eventually get to the Fifth Circuit. There will be a decision made on that, and then quite possibly it will be then appealed to the Supreme Court as well. The wild card in this is what the Trump administration is going to do with respect to this law when they get into the White House. Other than the fact that he's been very anti-regulation along the campaign trail and as part of this platform, I have not heard President-elect Trump come in and say that he's going to do away with this or do away with this new rule or step away from it. But there's a possibility that he will, and we're going to know that probably within the next, obviously 45 days. I think employees who thought they were going to really benefit from this by earning some extra money for hours they worked over 40 hours in a work week should definitely be in contact with their HR department to determine what the companies are going to do going forward, whether it's going to be put on hold, and have an open conversation about that with their employer. Yeah. Several sources to look at. Certainly, our firm, Fisher & Phillips, has a web page that has tons of information regarding the law, regarding this law and other laws, and how employers can comply with the law. The Department of Labor also has a very effective website with a lot of information on it. That's the departmentoflabor.gov website. And of course, they can call. A good way to do it is if you have any issues or have any questions about this law or any other law, call your legal counsel and just run it by them. It's usually quick, and if you call somebody who works in the field, it will definitely be quick, because that's what we do on a daily basis. And there won't be research involved, and we'll be able to really set people in the right direction.